Good day, welcome to Multi-Net Design. The continuation of our two-bedroom apartment that we were working on. So, in this particular tutorial, we still want to work further on the elevation and the entire site, so that the beauty of the whole project will come out as a plane. So, for what we want to do here now is that let us work a little bit. So, I'm going to go to elevation. I still have some little work to do on this elevation, so I'm going to do that as fast as possible. So I'm going to go to level 1. So I'll select this to do the needful. I will say create similar. So what I create similar now, I'm going to reduce this one because I just want to create the arc to that center. So I'm going to create similar offset. I'm going to do 2400. While I do 600 here. So I will do that in all connection. So as I've done, that's level 1. So I'm going to go to start elevation now. So I think what happened to you? I'm saying it's not here. Anyway, go back there. I still go and recreate it. So say create wall this time around. I think you have it. So I'm going to say site to this. So start elevation. Where is it? Okay. So now I need to copy it from here to this place. So say enjoy. So do the same thing again. You can copy the two. And you say move. Copy. So constraint. You just need to pick from here and drop it here. See, so the last one now, you move it just only one, then you copy from here and paste it here. So what does it mean? So this one is going to define the entrance preferences. So now what we'll do here is that we're going to use this to conclude the another part of it to edit in place. So I will select by saying create sweep. So using the same path method, select the path, then you are going to use these references to do your path, to draw it. So I'm going to create only one side effects on both side aspects. So let it just have it continuous to the land. So I will say click finish. Now you go to edit the program, west elevation, east elevation. Just let's use east to be precise. So open from there. So this is what we have. We shall do what justice to it by clicking on the rectangle, put the line in place. So you already have that 100, which is okay. So your click finish, can bring your color and change. If you maintain the same color that you want to use, depends on you. So I'm going to use this color cabinet. So I will just say start elevation. So the cabinet is here, but when you are looking at it in graphics, it's giving you another thing. So go to graphics and change it. This graphics appearance. Good. So that's done. What I need now is to copy from this 1 to 2, 3, 4, and the last. So a little bit of line details bring the beautification to whatsoever we are doing. So you can now copy this one and paste it and use it at the upper floor. So that depends on your choice and whatsoever you are doing. But for now, this is where I stop on that level. So I'm going to click finish. I'm having an issue seeing something here that's supposed not to see. So I will go and see through that and see what is happening. So this one, they are giving their position. So let me just say sites. So what is the problem? the line here has disappeared. So let's go to foundation. So these ones are gone, so we have to do another. So go back to side front. So I think it's completed. Good. So what do we need now is to walk to the site to get the apartment back. So I'm going to use normal wall to create the boundary. So say wall. So here I will go back to 0. So I'm going to get 250 and 2500. So draw the whole things around. Draw it around, draw it around, and draw it around. So you're going to focus more on that confidence side for yourself. So I'm going to do this in this manner. Now, here is what I have here. So this is the shape. So this shape that will contain whatever I want to do in the whole environment. So let me continue by doing it one after the other. Editing place. The first I need to do is the flower center. So I'm going to use level 1. So here now to demonstrate what I need to demonstrate. So editing place, edit extrusion soil. So I will draw this because of the shape and the parts to which this is followed. So I need to do something in a very fine normal way. So I will draw a normal line. Okay. So I'm going to offset this so that the parking space will be there. I will say 3000, then offset 3k because of the moving of the vehicle. So this is it. So now I will remove this 3k offset now, turning back to 0. Here you just do what is going? Remove this now, 0. So I'm done with this. Can do the same thing here too. What's the prayer? Okay, so now you trim more. This is what you have here. Click finish. Then go to you do the same thing here. Editing place. So use that format to click what you want to do. So just select around, then now offset 120. Offset 120. Then click finish. So that is there. So the next thing you do, go back to finishing. Then now we need to start putting flowers in place. So just a component or use masking, then say component of masking. So this time around you select and look around for the flowers and whatever that is more beautiful for you to use. So let me just pick this one and paste one, and from there I will start doing the needful. So this is one. So I will go to 3D to adjust this. So if you wonder, you can adjust the tree and everything. So this is the opportunity. So you click here. The first thing you need to do is to do the height. So height of this is too tall, so I'm going to change it to 1500. I think with that, for let's adjust the height to suit. So if it is too small, you can increase it to 2000. I think with that, apply. Okay, with this one now, you can, if you are pleased with what you are seeing, it is okay. If you are not pleased with it, no problem. You can just select one of them and say duplicate, or you change this format. But I like duplicating because my height, I've gotten the height right. I don't need to be disturbing myself. Now the appearance is what I need, so that this one will be different from this. So I'm going to go to blending appearance. So now I'll come here and then Colorado. I don't need that. I don't like Colorado. So just let me check not number 2 now. So let me just drop general. Let me use this one, jungle frame. So let me apply it. It should update. See, this is it. So like this one now you can use it. So this one now you copy, you can have this one on one side, then this one to be at the other side of it. So just like copy, say copy now, use this thing. So from there you can copy in series from one point to another. I say copy, 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 and copy. See you get. So you copy again, copy, so you copy again, and copy, and copy. So that's not finished. Go to components again, then select every other thing that you know that can make the environment look more beautiful. So don't choose something else. So select. I think I like this street light, so I'm going to use the street light here now. So go to 3D and see the street light for yourself if it's what you like. So you're having only 3 parts. So I'm going to rotate it by going to this foundation. Now you say rotate. So rotate now 90 degree. So I will say rotate with copy now. Rotate with copy 90 degree again. So I have this in there like a 4 parts. You can now group them together. Make sure you group them. Any name you can give. So as you can do that, just copy now and paste. Paste here. Paste it here. And paste it as many places as you want. So those will give value to your elevation. So when you look at it on 3D, this is what you have. I think they are more coming alive. So you can carry these flowers and tree, take them to the side as well. It's your choice. So you move to copy. So I've said do not mirror whenever you are doing things this way. Mirror flowers will not make it render and it will not display. So the best you do is to copy and copy, because this trees, the component of trees are always based on image, and the image you always side that it face is what you work for. So it doesn't work for like other one because it's not model. It's just an image like a decal that we used to do. The side that is visible is the only side that will continue to be visible. So we're done with this one now. You can bring your car, bring whatever you feel like bringing into the atmosphere. So in the next episode we are now going to work with the gate, the fence and design whatsoever. So but before we go, let me say, because now you'll be having difficulty by seeing most of this being covered. All you just need to do is to select and hide during the mix. Just select hide the elevation so that it will be visible. The west. So we do the same thing. Is it the west? I will do that. I think it's east. I don't want to work on where I've never laid my hand on. So like this now, you select this and say hide the element. So this is the planar references, and you can adjust the crop region so that they will stay where it's supposed to stay. So you can toggle it off. You will be able to fantastically see, then adjust this and say ID category. Do your go. So from here you can just demonstrate a little bit. So in the next episode we still have something to do at this side where we're going to work on that. So thanks for watching. Thanks for everything. So these are how far we can go for now. So in the next episode, when we are going to still work on the fence and bring some of this to limelight, we see you till that time. God bless you.